Hello everyone, I'm making another video to show you a strategy that I use for my Nadex contracts, and I add the Forex because it's the same way that you find um, Forex trades. Uh, so it could be very useful for Forex traders too. Um, you see that there are a lot of moving averages. There are 6 blue and 6 red. I'm gonna show you the settings. So you can pause the video and then add them into your MT4 or your trading platform that you use. Um, and I use also the ADX indicator. For me, it's one of the best indicators out there. And the strategy, it's very simple, and this is based on equilibrium and chaos. Um, I call this strategy equilibrium because after we have equilibrium, we make profit, and the market is always in a state of chaos because you see every day market is um, any market is in an agreement on price, but a disagreement on value. So when we see an agreement on price and value, volatility drops off, and then after that, price is going to move very fast because the market doesn't like it. It's not natural, the market being in a state of equilibrium. So let's find these states of equilibrium in this chart and see what's going to happen the after the states of the equilibrium. So sorry, my English. Okay, we are watching the dollar Swiss, um, and we have this zone right here of equilibrium, and it's the same thing that our ADX indicator is showing us. Um, both the positive DMI and the negative DMI are um, under the 25 level, so it's saying to us that price is ranging. So we have a phase here. So this is 1 hour time frame. So during these hours, price is in a state of equilibrium, and the moving averages are very close to each other. So we just have to wait and see if the price is going to an uptrend or if the price is coming down. And one of the best indicators to show this direction, it's the ADX, and I'm going to show you. So what we see here, if I draw a line, we see here in this candle we have the negative DMI crossed the 25 level, and also the ADX, the white line, also is together with the negative DMI. So in the previous candle, it was not yet safe to go because price could after this candle, price could easily shoot up. How many times did we see this in our charts? So we don't, in this candle we still don't have confirmation to go. So we wait for the next candle, and this candle, this 1 hour candle, is telling us that we have green light to go. Um, and we look for the when the candle is forming, and we see that let's say 15-30 minutes have passed, and we see in 1 hour time frame that the negative DMI is crossing the 25, and we go to the 15-minute time frame to look for our best entry. So this is the line that I draw in the 1 hour time frame. So we could enter not in this candle because the negative DMI is still under the 25, but on the next candle. So will be enter at 3:45 a.m. So this is in the London session. So 3 a.m. my time. It's 7 hours difference from London. So this will be our best entry in this case, to to go to to make a put trade. You can use also this for your binary options regular broker. You don't have to be exclusive for Nadex. After you see these charts, you can easily make 15-30 minutes or 1 hour put in your regular binary broker. So, but I use this for mainly for Nadex. So when I see this setup, and we see that all the blue lines are getting away from the red ones. So the short term investors are coming down, and I go to the my Nadex platform, and I say that when this candle closes, I say that, let's say over here at this level, that price will not pass this level for the next 15, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. So this is the 15 time frame, so it's valid for the next 4 candles. So it's 1 hour. So it's valid when you see this setup, and you are in the 15-minute time frame, and the setup it's like this. It's very strong. It's valid for the next 4 candles. If you're watching the 1 hour time frame, it's valid for the next 4 hours. Let me just delete this. Okay. Let's look for another one. Oh, and if you are a forex trader, the question is when to get out of the trade. And let's suppose that your entry was here, and you look for the 15-minute time frame to get out of the trades, but always with the 1 hour time frame open. You can have 2 charts, one with a 15-minute and another one within 1 hour. And let's see, in this case, in this candle, the negative DMI it crosses the 25 level to the downside. So this is an indication that it's a good time to get out of the trade. The positive DMI is still very low, but price can easily, after this one, price could shoot up, and you lost all those pips over here. So or you can add the CCI, and you add level 0 and the period 14, and it will tell you when you see that price is crossing the zero line, it's time to get out of the trade. So you can use this CCI, but in my opinion, you can stick with the ADX. It will tell you in advance the best time for you to get out of the trade. Okay, let's look for another one, another example like this. We have equilibrium here with all the short-term investors and the long-term investors. So we have equilibrium here, and we when we see um, this kind of equilibrium, we know that price is going to shoot up or down. We don't. We just have to wait to see which direction it's going to take. So in we are looking in the 1 hour time frame, and in this candle, price shoot up, and the positive DMI crossed in the previous candle. So it was across here, but under the 25 level. So it was not safe yet to 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 enter the trade. In this candle, we have the positive DMI crossing the 25 level, and the white line, the ADX line, it's above the 25 level too. So we could go to the 15-minute time frame to look for the best entry in this case. So it's right here in this candle. So this is the 15-minute time frame, and um, I'm just going to take out the CCI. Don't need to be here right now. Okay, and this will be our entry. So I would go to my Nadex platform, and when this candle closed and I see that the setup is really strong, I go to my Nadex platform and I say that price is not coming down from this level for the next 15, 30, 45 minutes or 1 hour. So it's valid for the next hour. Um, and if you think, well, it's not very difficult to trade with this strategy. I think it's simple. So you just have to look. I like the 1 hour time frame, but for especially for forex traders that usually use the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame, um, the strategy works very very good. And to Nadex I used for the 1 hour time frame. And well, I think that's it. If you need to make any questions or any doubts, you can contact me through Facebook and Michael Freeman's or my Telegram group. I'm always available to answer your questions. And that's it. Be safe, my friends. Bye bye.